everyone, Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars, and today we're going to go into the little showroom and check out my 1968 Chevrolet Nova 2. Chevy 2 is what people call it, first year of this style on a Nova. It's that little white one there, it just came in from Arizona. It's a rust-free car. All original sheet metal on the car. It's a blank slate right now. Anybody can do whatever they want with it. So it's got a pretty nice newer paint job. I was told it was done in the last year, which I believe after walking around the car. It's a good driver quality car. It's not perfect. There are things that it still will need, like windshield wipers, okay? A wiper motor, I believe, because it's not working. But I will tell you everything about the car. I know you guys are sitting in your family room or your kitchen table watching this, and you want to know everything about it because we do deliver to your doorstep, and I want to make sure you get what what I say this car is, and there will be no surprises. Okay, so again, have an open mind. It's not priced as a Barrett Jackson car. It's priced as, let's go to the car show, let's have a good time. Good driver quality. So again, there's your snow white paint. Okay. You got the dual sport mirrors, you got the vent windows there. Some of the trim is beat up when they put the car back together, okay? But all this stuff is available on eBay. And to be honest with you, we can do all that stuff and the upgrades for you. It would be an additional cost to what we are wanting for the car. So you got brand new, these are brand new wheels and tires. The rallies, chrome rallies on both sides. All around, new set with tires. No paint bubbling, no rust. It is from Arizona, like I mentioned. No bubbling under the vinyl top. Nice chrome bumper in the rear. That's just a reflection there. I know it looks crooked when you, from that point, but it's not. Bezels look good around the taillights. All the emblems look good. It's got a great shine. I mean, white cars are not known to shine, but it's got a good deep gloss to it. Like I said, the vinyl top's in great condition. The trim in most parts around the window are in good condition, but some of it will need to be replaced if you want it perfect. Nice door handles, and again, no rust, no bubbling on the body. There's your dual sport mirror on the passenger side. As you can see, no wipers are set up there. Glass is in good condition for its age. Vinyl top's in excellent condition. Front chrome bumpers in good condition. The grille, the lights, they all function, which I'll show you. It's pretty straight body too. I mean, it's an unmolested car. So the interior, again, is a blank slate as well. It's very comfy on the split bench, okay? It's right down here, as you can see. It's got the split bench. Bucket seats could be added. Nice back seat. I don't see any seat belts back there. Package tray. It's got a little custom design to it with the 6x9s, and it's got a subwoofer in the trunk. There's your headliner. Dome light, I believe it needs a bulb. GT steering wheel. Nice door panels. Nice door lips. Door jambs, door sill plates. Now in here, this plate has been removed, so we can put a cover on this just to finish it off and make it look good if you choose, or you can do it yourself. Extra tack has been added because these little Novas never came with it. Well, this particular year Nova, it's not an SS. So your lights are right there. They all function, which I'll show you. Car shows 12,819 miles. Believed to be 112,819 miles. The motor's been rebuilt. It sounds good. There's your odometer gauges all set up there, and your ignition. Dash pad looks new on the car. Lights on all the interior function, and your B&M shifter, which I think we should just paint this to make it look good. It will need sun visors, so you need those if you wanted to. I think it gives it a sleek look the way it is. There is an alarm system on the car. All right, let's see here. All right, you can see that. If you want to see the trunk, refer to my photos. The trunk is clean. Those are original quarters with original stampings on both sides of the quarter. So it is a rust-free original little Nova if somebody wanted to do a conversion or build it. So here's the 350. It's a good looking engine compartment. It's not perfect, but it was upgraded with the aluminum radiator because it did come from Arizona, so you need to keep it cool. Headers have been upgraded as well. Aluminum intake on the Edelbrock Performer RPM side and a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. The upper and lower control arms look good. There's your front power disc. And there you have it, guys. Just a nice little 68 Chevy 2. 68s are hard to find, especially in this rust-free condition. So let's check out, oh, there's the alarm. So here's your lights right there, okay? Let me just put it in the on position. Oh boy. Okay. You know that the alarm works. All right. There's the left turn signal blinking. There's the right one, but let's check out the outside now. I want to show you guys. Okay. There's your driver's side. Let's check out the front. All right, now let's check out the passenger blinker. Hold on, it did work a minute ago. That's weird. Maybe I didn't turn it on. Oh, the battery's dead. Okay, I threw the jumper on it. There's your passenger side turn signal for the front. And there it is for the rear. All right, let's fire up the car. Floor pans are solid. It's a 10-bolt rear end in it. All right. Really quick, there's a stereo right in here. That's the, what does it say there? Not really big. It's got the plug-in AUX. And it's got a subwoofer in the trunk. Good oil pressure. It sounds pretty healthy too. I had to put the jumpers on it because I left the lights on during the video or the photo shoot when I was doing it. So there you have it, folks. 1968 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2. Gorgeous little car, guys. If you're looking to get into the hobby, this is a great affordable way of doing it. It's a 11427 VIN. So that tells you that this was a V8 car. With a little TLC, this car can be a really nice car. Right now, it's just a nice car, if that makes any sense. So anyway, if you guys are looking for financing, I have multiple banks. If your credit score starts with a 575 to about a 650, I can get you done. It won't be easy, but about 10-15% down. If your credit score is over 650 to 700, 10% down. And if you're in the 700 to 800s, it's a no money down option, which you get the best rate at that credit score. So get a pen. You're gonna have to call me, text me, email me before you do a credit application, so I know what bank to place your file in. Keep in mind, it's good to know your credit score before you fill out any application, so I know what bank to place you. I don't need for them to run your credit multiple times. So it's good to know that. So if you need delivery, call me, text me again. My number is 847-848-1850, so I can get you a quote to have this thing sent to your driveway. If you guys are watching the video on YouTube, click the bottom right-hand subscribe button in red so you can see all of our new arrivals. If you're watching this on Facebook, that's great. Like our page, share our page, become a member with us. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is send me an email to bestofbest71@yahoo.com and say, put me on the list, and I'll put you on the mailing list. So keep in mind, guys, it's not a perfect car. It's gonna need some TLC, as I talked about, but it's very reliable, runs, drives, and stops as nice as she looks. Call me, text me at 847-848-1850. And thank you for watching MGMClassicCars.com.